questions 1 through 10 on the 2020 Grade 9 Pascal Math Contest. How many square symbols are in the figure? Well, you can count them, or you can just say there's 5 there, and then there's 5 of these branches, so 5 times 5, either way, is 25. And therefore, number 1, the answer is E. What is the value of 0.8 plus 0.02? If you add it up, it's 0.82. So, number 2, the answer is C. If 2x plus 6 is equal to 16, the value of x plus 4 is 2x plus 6 is equal to 16. So 2x is equal to 10, and therefore x is equal to 5. Now they want x plus 4, so that means x plus 4 will be equal to 5 plus 4, which is 9. So number 3, the answer is C. When two positive integers are multiplied, the result is 24. When these two integers are added, the result is 11. When the smaller integer is subtracted from the larger integer, the result is, we have two integers. When they're multiplied, it's 24. When they're added, it's 11. So you just do this by inspection. What two numbers multiplied together equal 24? And those same two numbers added together equal 11. Well, I think it's 3 and 8, because 3 times 8 is indeed 24, and 3 plus 8 is indeed 11. So now you take the smaller and subtract it from the larger. The smaller subtracted from the larger would be 8 minus 3, that is, and that is equal to 5. So number 4, the answer is D. In the diagram, triangle PQR has side lengths as shown. If x is 10, what is the perimeter? The perimeter is x minus 1 plus x plus 1 plus 7. And that means the 1's cancel, so we're just left with 2x plus 7. X is 10, so that's 2 times 10 plus 7, and therefore this is 27. So number 5, the answer is D. What is the value of 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 over 2 to the power of 3 minus 1? 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So we have 16 minus 2 over 8 minus 1. 16 minus 2 is 14. 8 minus 1 is 7. 14 over 7 is equal to 2. Number 6, the answer is E. Ewan writes out a sequence where he counts by 11 starting at 3. The resulting sequence is 3, 14, 25, 36, and so on. A number will appear in Ewan's sequence is a number that will appear. Well, I guess you just keep adding 11. So get out your calculator and just keep adding 11 to 36. And eventually you'll get to 102. Then the next one will be 113, then 124, and so on. So of these answer choices, the one that's going to be part of that sequence is 113. So 7 would be A. Matilda counted the birds that visited her bird feeder yesterday. She summarized the data in the bar graph shown. The percentage of birds that were goldfinches is. Goldfinches looks like 6 to me, and then we have to divide by the total, which is 6 goldfinches, and sparrows looks like 9, and grackle is 5. So 6 over 20. And 6 over 20 in terms of a percentage, well, that's 3 over 10, so that's 30%. So number 8, the answer is C. In the diagram, 3 lines intersect at a point. What is the value of x? By opposite angles, this will be equal to x. By opposite angles, that's x. And since that is x, the opposite angle here is also x. So we've got a whole bunch of x's. In particular, we have 6 x's. And all the way around is equal to 360 degrees. So 6x equals 360. So that means x is 360 divided by 6, which is 60. So number 9, the answer is C. Starting at 1 p.m., Jorge watched 3 movies. The first movie was 2 hours and 20 minutes. He took a 20-minute break. Then he watched a second movie, which is 1 hour and 45 minutes. He again took a 20-minute break and then watched the last movie, which was 2 hours and 10 minutes. What time did the final movie end? All right, so let's add up all the movies and breaks. 2 hours and 20 minutes, then a 20-minute break, then 1 hour and 45, then a 20-minute break, and then finally 2 hours and 10 minutes. So let's add all this up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. And then we have 20, 20, and 20. That's another 1 hour. And then we have 45 and 10, so another 55 minutes. So that looks like 6 hours and 55 minutes from the starting time, which is 1 p.m. So that would mean 1 p.m. plus 6 hours and 55 minutes would bring you at 7:55. So number 10, the answer is D.